Welcome to BestusefulTips. Here I will show you how to make your Instagram account private on Android. Open Instagram and log in with your account. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap on three vertical dots at top right corner. Select setting at the end of the page. Tap on privacy. Tap on account privacy under connection section. By default, toggle off. Toggle on. When enable private account, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on your Instagram. Tap on OK to enable private account on your Instagram. To disable, toggle off. When disable private account, anyone will be able to see your photos, videos and Instagram story. Tap on OK. It's quite easy to enable or disable Instagram account private on your Android. That's it. Please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.